You've definitely seen them. Those viral shorts with fake texts, crazy conversations, and millions of views. But what if I told you, you could make those exact same videos in minutes using nothing but free AI tools? No filming, no editing, no voice acting, just a browser, a bit of creativity, and a system that works. I built a faceless YouTube channel from scratch using this exact method, and these videos are already pulling views daily. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process, step by step, and show you exactly how I make viral shorts without ever showing my face. To do that, we'll use ChatGPT. Go to chat.openai.com and use a prompt like this. Write a funny Instagram conversation between Elon Musk and a cat who just bought Twitter. You can change it to anything. Make it funny, dramatic, mysterious. Just make sure people will recognize the characters or the situation. Meme-worthy convos work best, especially if you're targeting shorts. Try to keep it short and snappy. Think 8 to 15 messages total. If it's too long, people will scroll away. You want something that hooks instantly and ends with a punchline. Once ChatGPT gives you the script, read it out loud. Does it sound like real people texting each other? If not, tweak a few lines. Add emojis, slang, anything that makes it feel more natural and scroll-stopping. This is the backbone of your video, so don't rush it. Once the convo feels right, copy the messages into a doc or note app so you're ready for the next step. Now that we've got the conversation script, it's time to make it look like a real chat, using Canva. Go to canva.com and search for Instagram chat or iMessage template. Look for a layout with message bubbles on both sides, sender and receiver. If nothing pops up, just start with a blank 9:16 design and build it from scratch. For each character, you'll need a profile picture. You can grab one from Google Images, use an AI-generated photo, or upload anything that matches your story. For this example, I'm using a photo of Elon Musk for the sender, and a smug cat for the receiver, just to keep it fun. Once the layout's open, start placing message bubbles left and right to match your script. Color code them if you want, blue for Elon, gray or white for the cat. This helps viewers instantly tell who's speaking. Add little touches like a verified badge, message timestamps, or unread icons if you want it to look extra realistic. These small details matter. They make it feel like a real screenshot someone could have actually shared. Once your chat layout is complete, export the image or download it as a PNG. This will be your visual base for editing. All right, now that your fake chat is designed, it's time to animate it and add voice. Open CapCut or any free video editor like Runway ML and drop in the PNG chat image you just exported from Canva. We're going to animate the messages so they pop up one by one, just like a real text convo. To do that in CapCut, use the split tool to cut the image into chunks and time each one to match the script. Then add a simple animation like slide up or fade in for each line of text. This makes the chat feel alive instead of just a static screenshot. Now for the voiceover, you've got two options. If you want to record your own voice, go for it. But if you want to stay 100% faceless, head to 11labs.io and generate voices using AI. Paste each line of your convo into 11 Labs, choose different voices for each character, and hit generate. You can adjust the tone, pitch, and pacing until it sounds exactly how you want. Once your voices are ready, drop them into CapCut and sync them with the text messages on screen. Play it back and adjust the timing until the convo feels smooth. Now it's finally starting to feel like a real video, not just a mock-up. All right, last step. Let's finish your video and make it feel viral ready. Now that your chat is animated and voiced, we're going to add a background video and music to keep viewers hooked. First, choose a background clip that keeps the energy up. Gaming loops like GTA, Minecraft, or fast-paced meme footage work great for shorts. Just search copyright-free gameplay on YouTube, or grab footage from sites like Pixabay or Pexels. Once you've got your background, drop it behind the chat animation in CapCut. Lower the opacity of your chat layer slightly, or blur the background just enough so the messages still pop. Now let's add background music. Go to YouTube Audio Library or Pixabay Music and find a high-energy track that fits your story. Dramatic, funny, or suspenseful, depending on your convo. Import it into your timeline, and most importantly, balance your audio. Lower the music so the voices are crystal clear, but still keep that beat underneath to keep the video flowing. Before you export, watch the whole thing once. Make sure every message is timed right, voices are in sync, music isn't overpowering, and it looks good visually. Once it's polished, Hit export. Congrats! You just made a full fake text video using only free tools. You can now repeat this same process every day and post bangers in less than an hour. Now, if that all felt like a lot of steps, I've got good news. There's a much faster way to make these exact same videos in just a few clicks. It's called Clippy AI, and it automates pretty much everything. Script, voices, animation, background, all done in one place. I'll drop the link for Clippy down in the description and pinned comment so you can try it out yourself. This is the tool I personally use now to post faster and save hours every week. So if you want to skip the editing and just focus on ideas, let me show you how to use it step by step. Once you're inside Clippy, head over to the Edit UI tab. This is where you customize the chat interface, and trust me, these small details make a big difference. Start by uploading profile pictures for each character. For this video, I'm using a smug photo of Elon Musk and a cat in sunglasses, because in our story, the cat just bought Twitter. But you can use any combo you want: celebrities, memes, anime characters, or your own AI avatar. Next, type in the names for your characters. Those are the names that'll show up in the text bubbles. Then choose a chat style: Instagram, iMessage, WhatsApp, whichever fits the vibe. I'm going with Instagram because it looks clean and clickable. Now, customize the details. Turn on verified badges. Toggle unread messages. Adjust bubble style, colors, and background opacity. These tiny tweaks make it feel like a real screenshot, and they boost retention big time. Once your chat layout looks sharp, click Save, and now we're ready to generate the script. Let's create the actual conversation. Inside Clippy, go to the Script tab and click on Generate with AI. This is where you'll type a simple prompt, and the tool will write the entire fake convo for you. No ChatGPT needed. For this example, I'm typing a funny Instagram chat between Elon Musk and a cat who just bought Twitter. Why Elon and a cat? Because trending names plus humor equals easy views. But honestly, you can do anything. Celebrity drama, fan fiction, anime, memes, even your own made-up characters. If you're feeling creative, you can also write the entire script manually, line by line. But using the AI is faster, and it actually gives you a great starting point to tweak. Once Clippy gives you the conversation, you can rearrange messages, add emojis, or rewrite lines to make them punchier. Think like a short-form creator. Make it funny, dramatic, or relatable. Every message should make someone want to see what comes next. Once the convo feels smooth, save it, and now we're ready to give these characters a voice. Head over to the Voices tab in Clippy. You'll see your characters listed on the left, Elon Musk and the cat in this case. Now just assign a different voice to each one. For Elon, I'm picking a voice that sounds confident and slightly sarcastic. And for the cat, I'm going with something chill, laid back, maybe even a little smug. You can preview each voice and even adjust the pitch, speed, and tone until it fits your story. This is what makes the conversation feel alive, not just text on a screen. Once you're happy with the voice setup, click Generate, and Clippy will voice the entire script for you automatically. No mic needed, no editing, no syncing. You'll end up with a fully narrated fake convo, ready to post as a short. And just like that, your video has dialogue, energy, and way more watch time potential. Next up, let's add the finishing visuals and background. All right, let's give your convo some movement with visuals and music. Go to the Background tab in Clippy. This is where you can upload your own footage or choose from their built-in video loops. I usually pick something fast-paced and eye-catching like GTA driving, meme edits, or scrolling gameplay. But if you want to go simple, even a subtle looping background works fine. Just don't leave it blank. Drag your chosen background behind the chat animation so it plays underneath the convo. You can blur it slightly or drop the brightness so the messages stay front and center. Now head to the Music tab. Pick a track that matches the vibe of your story. Dramatic, goofy, chill, whatever fits. Clippy gives you free options, or you can upload your own sound. The key here is balance. Turn the music down just enough so the voices are still clear. Your dialogue should always be louder than the beat. Once that's in place, preview your video and make sure everything flows smoothly. And when it's looking clean, you're ready to export. If you want to try Clippy yourself, the link's in the description and pinned comment. That's my personal setup, and what I use to scale content without wasting hours editing. Hit like if this helped, And let me know what crazy convo you're going to cook up next.
So I hear you're the new owner of Twitter.
Meow.
You do realize you just spent $44 billion on a social media platform, right?
But,
Okay, but do you even have thumbs? How are you going to run this?
sends photo of cat stepping on keyboard.
That's not how coding works.
Meow means yes.
You're firing half the staff, aren't you?
Sends photo of cat pushing things off desk.
You know what? Fair.
Changes Twitter logo to a paw print.
I respect the chaos. Welcome to the club.
Bans all bird accounts.
You're better at this than I was.